September 21st, 2022, 10:45 p.m., Forsyth County, Georgia. A sheriff's deputy spotted a black motorcycle with no license plate cruising along Ronald Reagan Boulevard near McFarland Parkway. When ordered to stop, the rider ignored the signal, flipped off the deputy, and sped into the night. At just 17, Jacob Orndorff led police on a dangerous chase, narrowly avoiding a head-on collision before losing control on loose gravel. Officers directed him down a side street into a storage lot, commanding him to get on the ground. Defiant even after being arrested, Jacob now faces felony fleeing, reckless driving, and obstruction charges. In another pursuit, 2 men on a motorcycle. No plates, no helmets. Ignored the law completely. As soon as they saw the patrol, they twisted the throttle and disappeared into traffic. Sirens wailed, engines roared, and what should have been a routine stop became a high-stakes chase through residential streets. The rider tore through alleys where children played, skimming past walls and pedestrians by mere inches. The passenger eventually jumped off, leaving the rider fleeing barefoot after losing a sandal. Even crashing into a car door didn't stop him. Officers finally cornered and arrested him safely, seizing the unregistered motorcycle. A single reckless moment turned quiet streets into chaos, proving that justice catches up, no matter what. In yet another case, a man on a stolen motorcycle was spotted in a patrol zone. Upon seeing the police, he bolted, igniting a short but intense chase through city streets. During questioning, he claimed he bought the bike at a dance, feigning ignorance. Coombe verified the motorcycle was stolen, returned it to its owner, and the suspect now faces possession of stolen property charges. Even a quick pit stop is impossible in a chase. A moment of recklessness can turn excitement into a harsh lesson about speed and awareness. Alexander, Arkansas, March 4th, 2023. Police spotted a motorcycle with no plate and ordered it to stop. The rider took off, initiating a high-speed chase through the night. Arkansas State Police quickly joined in, taking the lead to intercept the suspect. The motorcycle weaved through lanes, nearly hitting patrol cars twice, ignoring lights, sirens, and commands. On a narrow stretch, Alexander PD executed a precise TVI maneuver, sending the bike skidding into a concrete barrier. The rider was arrested with only minor injuries. This incident proved that split-second police decisions can save lives, and running is never the smart choice. July 10th, 2025, 11:40 a.m., Kerr Station Road, Arkansas. Trooper Blaine Lucas spotted a blue sport bike carrying 2 riders with no rear plate. When the traffic stop was initiated, the rider sped off, hitting 100+ miles per hour in a 30 miles per hour zone, eventually crashing into a ditch. He admitted fleeing to hide a meth pipe. Charges included felony fleeing, possession of drug paraphernalia, DWI, and multiple traffic violations. October 13th, 2022, North Little Rock, Arkansas. State police tried stopping 38-year-old Christopher Gaylor on a motorcycle with no plate. He fled at nearly 100 miles per hour. During arrest, a trooper deployed a taser, igniting a fireball when gasoline in his backpack burst into flames. Officers quickly extinguished the blaze. Gaylor survived but suffered severe burns and now faces felony fleeing, reckless driving, and driving on a suspended license. A single spark turned seconds into a lifetime of scars.